but a pound. Crying all the You ain't nothing but a pound. You're doing great, Tracey. Crying all the Well, you ain't never had a And you friend of Nice job. That was awesome. Good job, Tracey. Let's do your phrases. You want to try one more?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
We're finished? We're done.
It was a Sunday. He was in the kitchen preparing dinner, and all of a sudden I hear this thud. And so I called down. I thought maybe he dropped something. He was struggling to get up, so I said, "Do you need help getting up?" And he was like, blah, 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 blah. And I was like, oh no. Music for him is so emotional, and it is for me, too. We were in one nursing home, and there was a beautiful, big, black Baldwin baby grand piano. And I started playing a couple songs, and he just started crying. And so I looked at him and I said, "Do you want me to stop?" And he looked at me and he said, "Keep singing."
My name is Tracey. Nice. My name is Tracey. Good. And get your tongue forward for the T sound. Tracey. Perfect. It's been a very emotional process for Tracey. We use the principles of music to work with rhythm and melody to regain the functional use of language. The gains that we see are fantastic. Okay. We would say pain in my leg, pain in my leg. Can I hear just
I
you?
knew that this would be hopefully a way back for Tracey to get back to the world.
Excellent. Nice job. Let's sing a song. When the night